In this part, I'm going to show you the different views that are available for each table that allows you to visualize your data in different ways. So each table automatically has a grid view. The cool thing about the grid view is the ability to group and the summary bar. When you group by a field, let's say I want to group by whether something is in stock or not, you can quickly see the count of what's in stock and what's not, and you can also update records by just dragging and dropping them, like so. And you don't have to change the status, it already changes the status to out of stock. There's also the calendar view. To get the calendar view, your table needs at least one date field type within the table. And within the calendar view, you can see your records based off the fulfill by date, and you can also see them based off the status color. Or you can create a Kanban view and see the records by status this way, and you can update the statuses by simply moving, dragging and dropping across these different cards. The last really cool view, if you have photos or attachments that you want to see, is the gallery view. And you can pick or choose how your gallery cards look by clicking on customize cards, and you can turn on and turn off fields. So this has been a quick overview of the different view types within Airtable. Thanks for watching.